Hello guys, good evening all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Tell me what I gave in last class.
Sir, in the last class, black body and black body radiations was the last topic.
Okay. Yeah, black body and black body radiation, the two definitions I gave now. Okay. Next one, photoelectric effect. Yeah, keep submitting. Photoelectric effect. Okay. Listen, what is a photoelectric effect? This is metal plate.
We draw this.
Yeah, first listen, later we'll draw the diagram.
Okay, sir.
So this metal plate is exposed to radiation. So this is a radiation, initial radiation. So when radiation strikes this metal, some particles are ejected from this metal plate. These particles are called photoelectrons. See now, what is the definition of photoelectric effect? When a sufficient frequency of radiation strikes the metal plate, some electrons are ejected out from the metal plate. These electrons are called photoelectrons, and this phenomena we are saying photoelectric effect.
Sir, can you repeat?
When a sufficient frequency, not all radiations, even this light also giving some radiation. When you keep any metal plate means exposed to that light, no electrons are not coming out. But we have to expose a sufficient frequency of radiation. Means high powerful radiation we have to allow to fall on metal plate. Then some electrons are coming out from the metal plate. Those electrons are moving with some velocity also. These electrons are called photoelectrons, and this whole phenomena we are saying photoelectric effect. When a sufficient frequency of radiation allowed to fall on metal plate, some electrons are ejected out from the metal plate. These electrons are called photoelectrons, and this whole phenomena we are saying photoelectric effect. Got it? What's happening here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When
sir.
light is allowed to fall on metal, this metal having some electrons, atoms and electrons, those electrons are coming out. This phenomena we are saying photoelectric effect. Okay. Now, this radiation having some energy, that's we can say E, is equal to h nu. I am writing some energy it have, that is E is equal to h nu. And these electrons moving with some velocity, no doubt it having some kinetic energy also. These electrons having kinetic energy half mv square. To remove electron from the metal plate, we must have to supply some energy, right? That energy we are calling threshold energy. Threshold energy. So this same formula, E is equal to, but we are maintaining E naught. E naught is equal to h nu naught. Nu naught is threshold frequency.
So can you repeat?
Threshold
You
frequency.
give notes, right? We should not write this.
No, later you write. I will first see this. Is nu zero. See, some amount of energy, sorry, some radiation we are allowing to fall on metal plate. That radiation energy is E is equal to h nu, right? And to remove electron from the metal plate, we must have to supply some energy to the metal plate. That energy we are saying threshold energy. Threshold energy, minimum amount of energy required to remove electron from the metal plate. It's called threshold energy. Same formula, E is equal to h nu, but here we are writing E naught. We need to differentiate. This is E, this is E naught. That's what E h nu zero. So this here nu zero is threshold frequency. Any doubt about this? E is equal to h nu. Here electrons having some kinetic energy K is equal to half mv square. To remove electron from the metal plate, that is equal to threshold energy. See one simple example. You are giving 10 joules of energy, radiation energy. So to remove electron, suppose here 7 kilojoules of energy is 7 joules of energy is required to remove electron. Then how much difference is there here?
3.
3.
3 joules.
That 3 joules is coming out as a kinetic energy.
Okay.
Okay. The sum of
Yes.
threshold energy, kinetic energy is equal to energy of radiation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now draw this diagram.
Okay.
So we should only draw it, right? Then you will nothing else.
No, I will give you what is the statement
Okay.
and how to solve that further formulas I will give. First draw diagram. So instead of this one threshold energy, we can call work function also. Work function. So we don't write E0, you now write W, because in formula we are using this only W.
Done, sir.
Okay, all of you completed?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. 2 minutes. So should we write that formula and all
Yeah, right.
to the side itself?
Yes.
Should we like instead a work function? So should we just give it as a heading like thing?
Yeah, work function that's here I gave initially E is equal to H nu 0. Even you can write work function W also. So right here, work function W is equal to H nu 0. So here nu 0 is threshold frequency.
So and W is work function.
Work function.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now write what is a photoelectric effect definition, letter formulas.
Sir, have already written.
What was the formula which was written down?
Threshold frequency nu
Kinetic
0.
energy.
No, not that one. The one under photoelectrons.
Photo, that is only kinetic
Kinetic
energy. K is
Kinetic
equal
energy.
to half mv square. Now definition. When radiation with certain minimum frequency minimum frequency.
So the definition you earlier gave while you were explaining, I already wrote that. So is it
Okay, then no problem. Okay, ma.
Okay.
When radiations with certain minimum frequency strikes the surface of the metal, strike the surface of the metal, the electrons are ejected from the surface of the metal. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect. The electrons emitted are called
photoelectrons.
Photoelectrons.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Just a minute. Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now see how to write formulas. Don't draw. Already you drawn the diagram. No need to draw again. So this is a incident radiation. It having some energy E. Here metal absorbs some energy. That energy is we are calling work function, and remaining energy is coming as a kinetic
Kinetic
energy. So you can write now E is equal to work function, just W, not W0, just W plus kinetic energy. Yes, so here E is equal to energy of radiation. W is equal to work function. K is equal to kinetic energy. So here I small subheading, what is work function?
So should we like given a heading important formulas?
Yeah, this is important formula. This is under photoelectric effect only. Right?
So under photoelectric effect, should we give subheading formulas
No,
related?
no. Don't keep any formula. Just write under this. Under that
Okay,
definition,
sir.
write this.
So is there any derivation for this?
No need, no derivation.
Not for this, other formulas.
Yeah. The minimum energy required. Minimum energy required to eject the electron. Called work function.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Next.
Just a minute, sir.
Instead of E, so you write this is equation 1, keep as equation 1. From 1 implies energy is equal to h nu, you may write, right? E is equal to h nu. Work function also W we can write h nu 0 plus kinetic energy is
MC square, half MB square.
You can write half mv square.
So it's basically writing the same thing.
This is also one formula. Next, if you want only kinetic energy, yes, this is kinetic energy, right? You can keep Ke also, there is no problem. You can keep Ke or half mv square. So kinetic energy of photoelectrons is equal to, you may write h nu minus h nu 0. H take common, nu minus nu 0. This is kinetic energy of photoelectrons. This is also one formula.
So K is equal to h of nu minus nu 0 is one for the formula.
Yeah, this formula. Here, any formula we are using during the calculations. You can use directly this or this. You can use this also.
Yes, sir. Done.
Further, I will do modification. See, so this one you can take equation 2.
Done, sir.
So you don't rub after work function.
Okay.
No, so work function you can rub after that.
This one.
Yes, so don't rub that everything.
So again from equation 1.
Sir, no need to draw that diagram, no, sir.
No need. Already first only you drawn. No,
Okay.
I need again. Kinetic energy. So nu means formula C by lambda. So you can write like this. So kinetic energy is equal to, now we can take common HC. 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda. This is also one formula. So here lambda 0 is threshold. Here frequency. Here nu 0 is threshold frequency. Here lambda 0 is threshold wavelength. Sorry, write this. This is only formulas belongs to photoelectric effect.
So 3 formulas.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, next to some conditions.
So just a minute. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So threshold spelling is HO LD or
THRE.
UD?
ULD. ULD ma. L is missing. Threshold. See now few conditions. Don't drag in diagram, just for your understanding purpose I'm giving this. Suppose here I'm supplying 15 joules of energy I'm supplying.
Okay, sir.
But to remove electron from the metal plate, I require 16 kilojoules, 16 joules. Then is it possible to observe now any photoelectric effect?
No, sir.
No,
Sir.
it's not possible.
Because the
Here, high
the
amount of
metal
energy
plate
is
will
required.
absorb all the radiations.
So we can tell. So that's condition. I'm writing just conditions you put. Conditions to show.
Had some internet issues. Can you write the formulas once again?
All formulas you didn't noted.
Yes, I had some internet issues here.
Who is Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will give here all formulas note down. So either W or W0, whatever you can give. E is equal to h nu, work function h nu 0 plus kinetic energy of mv square. So from this kinetic energy is equal to half mv square h nu minus h nu 0. So you can write again it is a ke.
So do we have numericals based on this?
Yeah, many numericals we have. So note down this formula.
Thank you, sir.
Put subheading this small subheading. Conditions to show photoelectric effect. The first condition is so the energy of energy or frequency. Radiation must be higher than threshold energy or higher than work function or threshold frequency. So the initial radiation frequency or energy must be higher than the this work
Threshold
function
and-
energy or threshold frequency.
Threshold frequency.
So that is in bracket nu must be greater than nu naught. So if nu less than nu naught, then no photoelectric effect, no photoelectric effect phenomena.
So all this was
Nu
given by
is equal
Einstein.
to, yeah, if nu is equal to nu naught, then kinetic energy becomes zero. Yes, no? If nu is equal to nu zero, kinetic energy must be zero.
Yes, sir.
And next measure important points. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on frequency of radiation. Independent of intensity of radiation. Mind, is very, very important point this. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends upon frequency of initial radiation, independent of intensity of radiation.
Yes, sir. Done.
Next point, fifth point is number of photoelectrons directly proportional to intensity of initial radiation. Number of photoelectrons is directly proportional to intensity of initial radiation, but the kinetic energy of photoelectrons is independent of initial radiation. Oh, that is it. Sorry, it depends on frequency of initial radiation.
So that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Done, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
all of you completed.
Just a second, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, next.
Done, sir.
Okay. the value of the values.
So this is another subheading under.
No. Under write photoelectric effect only. Write as a point.
Okay.
Value of work function of few element.
So under conditions itself are different.
Differently, right? That's what. Keep just arrow mark. So here metal. This is a work function we are writing in electron volt. Suppose cesium metal is cesium. Work function is 2.14 electron volt. Potassium is having 2.25 electron volt. Sodium 2.3 electron volt. Lithium 2.42. Magnesium,
So what is the first element?
cesium. That is cesium. This is silver 4.3. Copper 4.8.
So what is this? Workforce or?
This is work function. W0 means work function.
function,
Yeah,
sorry.
in electron volt, that is units.
Okay. Thanks.
Done, sir.
So just a second.
See here, observe cesium and potassium. These elements having very less threshold and work functions. These metals having bigger
High.
work function values. That's what these elements having very less now. Just by giving a little amount of energy, also these elements loses electrons. That's why in solar plates, especially solar batteries, those we are calling solar voltaic cells, using these elements, because by sunlight only that energy is enough to remove electron from cesium metal. That's what these are using in photovoltaic cells. And copper and silver they're having very high values, so very difficult to remove electron here. We need to supply large amount of energy, so these elements are not using in photovoltaic cells, only these elements.
Which one is the highest? Which element?
Gold and platinum having very higher value.
How much?
More than 8.
Oh.
Okay, so those are difficult to remove electron from those metals. Okay,
So
now
which is the least one? Cesium.
cesium, yeah.
Nothing less than that.
No. Okay, now few graphs. Wait. Just draw this graph. So on y-axis.
The notebook itself, right?
Yeah. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons. This is frequency. On x-axis, frequency. So already one point I told you, kinetic energy of photoelectrons is directly proportional to frequency. If frequency of initial radiation is higher, obviously kinetic energy of photoelectrons also bigger value, and that's what you can write like this graph. So this from here to this value represents threshold energy or work function. Minimum some amount of energy is required to remove electron. That value is showing here, or you can call threshold frequency this value. So further extra frequency is useful to increase kinetic energy of photoelectron. Next graph. Okay, first draw this graph.
Yes, sir. Done.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, next graph is same on y-axis kinetic energy of photoelectrons, and x-axis is intensity of initial radiation. Intensity of incident radiation. So simple line. So it is independent, it is not depends. That's what, even intensity low or higher, it is not affected kinetic energy of photoelectrons. So it is a parallel to the x-axis. Constant, that is not affected by intensity.
So done.
So 2 minutes.
Done, sir.
Okay, next.
Just a minute. Yes, sir.
Okay, next subheading, particle nature of electromagnetic radiation, Planck's quantum theory.
So photoelectric effect is over.
Yeah, over. And sums are there. After this theory, just a small theory only, it is 3 or 4 points only. Then we will solve some problems. Actually, this photoelectric effect and black body radiation, those are explained by Planck quantum theory only, not by Maxwell theory. Particle nature of
So Planck's
electromagnetic
quantum
radiation.
theory is after electromagnetic wave theory, right? It's a separate topic.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, could you once explain why should the energy frequency of radiation must be higher than the work function?
See, to remove electron on the metal plate, we must have to give some energy. Otherwise, not possible to remove electron from metal. That's what. Here, energy is, suppose you are giving 10 joules, but to remove electron require 12 joules. Is it possible now to remove electrons? Not possible.
So the metal will
You are giving only 10 joules.
Absorb everything.
absorb
Yeah,
everything.
it's
Yeah.
completely absorbs. But require 12 joules energy. If you give 12 joules energy, then only metal loses electron. Otherwise, no.
So even if the radiation is 12 joules and the metal can hold 12 joules, then no
Just-
photoelectrons will be
No,
reflected.
electrons, photoelectrons are there. It comes, but its kinetic energy, we are saying 0.
Okay.
Okay, if both having equal, possible electrons are ejected, but kinetic energy we are giving 0.
Okay.
So that's what, to remove
So,
electron must be, we have to supply more energy. That's what I'm saying. Initial radiation energy is higher than the work function.
yes, sir.
Put subheading, particle nature of electromagnetic radiation, Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory.
Yes.
Okay, listen this.
Is this a new topic, like topic 3?
Oh, no. Under this topic only.
So we are still in second topic.
Yeah. Next third topic.
Models of
next
atom.
next week onwards we will start a new topic. I mean, spectrum. About spectrum we will discuss deep. Okay.
Okay. So all this comes under models of atom.
Yeah, atomic models still there. Two models we need to discuss, but here we are discussing about nature of light only still, because to understand spectrum we must have to know the first nature of radiation, nature of light. Then only we can move to spectrum. Okay. Previously we discussed about wave theory. This was given by Maxwell, right?
Maxwell.
Wave, that means
Yes, sir,
the
Maxwell.
light radiation is moving like a wave. This was given, this concept is given by Maxwell. That's what we are saying. It is a wave theory. But it is failed, not fully, but it is failed to explain the black body radiation.
Sir?
And photoelectric effect.
Sir?
Yes? Tell me.
Sir, can you please explain black body radiations again?
No, this simple thing is, if black body means the object which absorbs all kind of radiations and emits completely all kind of frequencies.
Okay.
That's we are saying black body. And the radiation which is given by black body, it's calling black body radiation.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. So that nothing, if you take any one black colored material, heat long time and keep it in some place, from that hot body some radiations are comes out, some heat is coming out, some radiations also comes out. That radiations only we are calling black body.
Black body radiation.
But this black body concept is an ideal concept. Till now we didn't found a perfectly 100% black body. But in universe there is. But on Earth we did not, even any laboratory also we did not prepare such kind of material.
Sir, in universe,
platinum,
what is
platinum
it?
material, hollow platinum. Suppose if you take some pani puri like shape or platinum, this is a somewhat chance to behave like a black body, having small hole to pass radiation.
The hardest substance is black diamond, right?
Hardest substance, yeah, diamond is very hardest
No,
substance.
sir, not diamond, black diamond.
Black diamond, even tungsten.
No, sir, black diamond is used to
Enamel.
cut.
I think.
No, it's not enamel. Black tungsten, not black diamond is used to cut tungsten.
Yeah, diamond is used to cut glass materials.
So it must be
Glass
very
material. It's
strong.
very hard, very strong non-metal, that is. Okay.
So does that show black body radiation?
No, that won't show black body radiation. See here, wave theory means light having two kind of nature. One is particle nature and light wave nature. Wave nature, particle nature. This wave nature is explained by Maxwell. So light having a wave nature, he is successful in explaining some properties, but to explain black body radiation and photoelectric effect, he was failed. That's what the new theory is given by Planck. That's why we are saying Planck quantum theory. In this theory, he is discussing about particle nature. Planck quantum theory is discussion about particle nature. So the radiation which is coming out from the light, any object, that is in the particle nature, not like a wave. It's like a particles. Got it? Now what is the difference between wave nature and particle nature? Any doubt?
So can I explain again?
Hello?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, can you explain it again?
See, the wave light having two natures. One is wave nature, another one particle nature. In wave nature, the light is moving like a wave. In particle nature, light particles are moving like just particles like this. Fine. This theory was given by Maxwell, wave nature. Particle nature is given by Planck's.
Planck's quantum theory.
Yeah, but wave nature was success. This was success in explaining some properties, but all the properties wave nature not able to explain. Wave nature is failed to explain black body radiation and photoelectric effect. To explain these two effects, the Max Planck given particle nature of matter.
Okay.
So here the radiation which is coming out from the bulb, whatever, it is in the particle form, not in wave form, it is in particle form. And also those are discontinuation, mind it point. In wave nature, we already wrote the radiation which is coming out from the body or emitted or absorbed, whatever, it is absorbed or it is emitted, that is in continuation form. So according to wave theory. But according to Planck quantum theory in particle nature, this is in discontinuation form. So the radiation which is absorbed by any material or the radiation which is emitted by any material, that is in discontinuation form. That was given in Planck quantum theory. But continuation form in wave theory, that's what it is failed to explain these properties. Planck quantum theory was able to explain, was successful because of, according to this theory, the radiation is in discontinuation form. And the radiation which is emitted by any body or absorbed by any body, it is in the small packets of energy. That small packets of energy we are calling quantum. The energy which is emitted by any body or absorbed by any body, it is in the form of small packets of energy. That packets of energy we are calling quantum. That is only equal to photon, not proton, photon. Photon. So these particles are there, no? This each particle carrying some amount of energy. That energy we are calling quantum or quanta. We can call quanta or photon. That photon energy E is equal to, E is directly proportional to frequency. E is equal to h nu. Already I gave this formula. E is equal
Yes,
to h.
sir.
Yes, this is
Yes,
one.
sir.
So energy of a light particle is directly proportional to its frequency. Then E is equal to h nu we can write. Here h is constant. Later I will give you what is h. See guys, once again I will explain, listen. See this light or any radiation, it is having two nature. One is wave nature, another one particle nature. This wave nature of light is given by Maxwell. The scientist Maxwell explained wave nature. Particle nature is explained by Planck. So in this theory, the absorbed radiation or emitted radiation, it is in the continuation form. But here, opposite. Discontinuation form.
Discontinuation.
Discontinuation form. Here radiation is in wave-like, but here radiation, it is in particle-like. This theory is failed to explain
Black body radiation and photoelectric effect.
Very good. Black body radiation, photoelectric effect. This was success to explain black body
Successful.
radiation and photoelectric effect.
Yes.
And here the radiation which is emitted by a body or absorbed by a body, that is in the form of packets of energy. That packet of energy we are calling quantum.
Quantum.
We can call this also quanta. or photon.
Photon.
So this having some energy. That energy is directly proportional to frequency. That
Nu.
nu, yeah. Now you can write E is equal to
H nu.
nu. So this is the energy of only one photon. That's what, no need to write no one number. So energy of a one photon, you can write E is equal to H nu. Suppose energy of 100 photons, E is equal to 100 into H
100
nu.
into H nu.
Yeah, that is the energy of one photon. E is equal to H nu, we can write. That's all. Here H is Planck's constant.
So should we write this?
No need. Just I will give you that points.
Okay.
Planck's constant. So this value is 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Okay, this is about Planck quantum theory. Actually, the Planck's given only some initiation about particle nature of matter, it having some energy, that E is equal to H nu only given. Further, this theory was developed by Einstein by clearly explaining photoelectric effect concept. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Just a minute. So under this theory, note down points. Right. To explain the phenomena of black body radiation, and photoelectric effect, Max Planck in 1900 put forward a theory known after his name as Planck quantum theory.
Oh,
Hello?
yes, sir.
Yeah, what
But
Ashish?
but photoelectric effect was discovered sometime between 1920s.
Yeah.
So how can you put forward that theory without even knowing about it?
See, this theory is whatever we are studying now. That is, once a theory is given, it should have to explain all the concepts which are related to that light. But Max Planck quantum theory is given in even 1900, but this photoelectric effect concept is given in 1920. But that concept was just he given theory. See, Planck is just he given E is equal to H nu only. He did not explain what is black body radiation and photoelectric effect further. He did not explain that.
So sir,
Just
by
according to his theory, by considering his point, the Einstein was explained. But credit is giving to Planck only, Max Planck. Hello?
yes, sir.
Planck quantum theory. This theory was further extended by Einstein in 1905. So now, right, main points. The radiant energy absorbed or emitted not continuously but discontinuously in the form of small discrete packets. Of energy, small discrete particles of energy. Each such packet of energy is called
Photons or
yes,
quantum.
a quantum. A quantum. In case of light, the quantum of energy is called photon. Photon. Write that point.
So done.
So just a minute.
Answer.
Write this point. This completed?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir. So don't drop the last line.
Yeah, no, I don't. This one.
No, sir, the last line.
This
Yeah,
point,
that-
right?
The
This
last
point I don't
point.
rub. Next point, the energy of each quantum the energy of each quantum is directly proportional to the frequency of the radiation. The frequency of the radiation. So that is E is directly proportional to nu. So E is equal to h nu. H is Planck's constant. H is equal to 6.625 or 626 into 10 power minus 27 erg second, or H is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done.
So what is ERG sec?
ERG means erg. That is in CGS units, but we don't use, mostly we are using this. Joule
Joules.
only we are using. So this is only Planck quantum theory. Now we will solve problems. So just a minute. Keep formulas or note. Put subheading note. So under this formulas only we can write our first one, E is equal to, sorry.
We're just writing all the formulas.
Yeah, E is equal to NH nu. Here N is equal to number of photons. And you can further you can write E is equal to NH instead of nu, C by lambda also
C
you
by
can
lambda.
write. That's one formula. And 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. 1 electron volt value. Sometimes in problems giving 1 electron volt means this much amount of energy.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, and next formula, photoelectric effect formula. H nu is equal to work function H nu 0 plus kinetic energy. So this formula, note down these three formulas. Now we'll solve problems.
Yes, sir. Done. Done, sir.
Just a minute. Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, this week I will conduct a test MCQs. All of you prepare from beginning of the chapter, and once again solve worksheet also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
We have UTs next week, and in fact, this week also we have mock tests.
Where
Yes, sir.
Sir, for our school.
all of you studying in same school?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Where you are first
Even KP has exams going on.
in school?
Yes, sir, online.
Online. Okay, okay. Just wait. Aditya, where you are studying? Which school?
APS.
Aditya Murthy. Ashish.
So New Horizon Gurukul.
Okay. Bonpriya.
Sir, Gitanjali Vidyalaya.
Who is this Daphne?
So KB,
What's your name?
Daphne,
Hello, loudly.
Daphne,
Daphne. Okay. Which school you are studying?
so KB,
KV. Okay, fine. Deepika.
so Global City International School,
Okay. Navika. Rajarshi.
Sir, Geetanjali Vidyalaya.
Srinidhi?
National Center for Excellence.
Tanya? Hello? KV, okay. Trishala?
Sir, KV.
Okay. Vaibhavi?
Global City.
Okay. So, who having exams in this week, UT, in school?
So we
Bhanupriya and
Sir, KV.
KV also started.
Sir, actually, KV, Thursday is the last. No, yeah, but we are going. Exams are going on.
Okay. When it will complete? By
Sir,
next week ending
I
it will
think
complete.
it's Thursday, 20th.
20th it will complete.
Yes,
so for us it's like
Yes,
this
sir.
is a sample test, and then again we'll have test from 24th, and then that entire week. Then after that exams get over.
Okay. So now sample tests are going on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then possible not to write this week test?
No, sir, because the chapters are the same. We have 4 chapters.
So APS also might.
Okay. Okay. Later we will see. Right now, problem calculate the energy of a mole of photons. A mole of photons of radiation whose frequency is whose frequency is 5 into 10 power 14 hertz. Five into 10 power 14 hertz. So we have to calculate energy of a photons. What is the formula? Energy of photon?
E is equal to NH nu.
Okay, E is equal to NH. Correct. That is the formula. Okay.
E is given.
E is we have to calculate.
Oh yeah, E
E
have
is
to
you have to
calculate.
Sir,
H,
N is given.
H is
N
N
is
is given.
Okay, see carefully. Here they're given first, given data, right? Frequency is given. Nu is equal to 5 into 10 power 14 hertz. This is frequency. And also given energy of a mole of photons. Listen guys, pair means 2 pieces, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, dozen means
12.
12 pieces, dozen. Like 1 mole means
0.23 like that into 10 to the power 23.
23, very good. This is a very big number it is. This is only 1 mole means this much particles, very big number that is. So now number of photons are this much, 6.023 into 10 power 23 photons. That is N value. Number of photons N is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Next, Planck's constant.
6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34.
6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joules second. Okay, now we will apply energy of photon or energy of radiation. E is equal to NH nu. Sometimes we no need to write N value because here giving 1 mole of protons, that's what I am writing NH. Sometimes asking simply energy of photon. Then in such case, no need to write N. 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 6.626 10 power minus 34 and a new value 5 into 10 power 14. Now multiply these all values. 10 power 23, 10 power 14. How much? 23 plus 14.
37.
37.
So it'll be 10 power 3.
10 power 3, yeah.
So multiply this value,
And so you can put it as 6023 into 5. 6023 into 5 directly.
So it's coming like 199.541.
this full
Yes, sir.
1
99.541.
Okay.
So
So
we can calculate this
The
easy.
exact value is 199.54199.
okay, enough. This only after 0.2 or 3 digits only sufficient. So now answer is 199.54 into 10 power. Here 37, then
3.
3, only 3. So joules.
Yes,
Very
sir.
nice.
So. Okay. So we can directly take it like, we can make a 10 power 3 in the beginning, multiply, make it 6023 into 5, it will be easier.
Yeah, but no, instead of that, better to do like this, adding this 10 power 34 and just further multiplying
No,
this
sir,
value.
after doing that, I kept that other two, 6.023 and the other one the same. And 10 power 3 is 1000. So if you multiply it by 6.023, it becomes 6023. Then it's whole number multiplication.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Done, sir.
So can you convert units? So 10 power 3 joules, right? It is. You can write kilojoules.
Yes, sir. 199.54 kilojoules.
Is equal to 10 power 3, right? So you can otherwise leave it 10 power 3 joules, or you can write directly 199.54 kilojoules.
Kilojoules, yeah.
Instead of 10 power 3, you can keep kilojoules. K means kilojoule.
So should we write kj or kg?
kj, not kg. Kj.
Okay.
Kilojoules means.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Right, like
sorry.
this. Just
Not gram.
keep
Right.
kj. That means kilojoule.
Done, sir.
Just a minute. Next question. Calculate the kinetic energy of the electron. Calculate the kinetic energy of the electron. Ejected. When yellow light of frequency yellow light of frequency (5.2 into 10 power 14 second inverse) falls on the surface of the potassium metal. The threshold frequency of the potassium is.
So this is the question.
Yeah, still is there. I will write. threshold frequency of potassium is 5 into 10 power 14 second inverse. Okay, that is given data. So they're given two values. Initial radiation frequency is given 5.2 into 10 power 14, and threshold frequency also given, nu zero also given 5 into 10 power 14 second inverse. We have to calculate kinetic energy.
The K is equal to Hc of 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda 0.
No, lambda don't use. Lambda not necessary. Here directly frequencies are given.
So K is equal to H of nu minus nu 0.
Yeah, that's sufficient, that formula. So initial radiation of frequency this, and threshold frequency is
5 into 10 power 14 second
yeah,
inverse.
nu zero is equal to 5 into 10 power 14
Second inverse.
So now we have to calculate kinetic energy. Tell me from this nu and nu zero kinetic energy relation.
So K is equal to H of nu minus nu 0.
K is equal to H of
New.
nu minus nu zero, right? I gave you this formula.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Now we can calculate kinetic energy of photoelectrons. Ke is equal to H value, later you can write, no problem. And nu minus nu zero. Nu is this
5.2 into 10 power 14.
14 minus nu zero, 5 into
10 power 14.
14. Now kinetic energy is equal to H into, take 10 power 14 common.
0.2
minus 5.
0.2
minus 5. Yeah, 0.2 only. Next step, note down that. Right till here.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, sir.
So then we can write 5 to the power 13 into 2.
Multiply H value also. Kinetic energy. H value
626 into 10 to the power minus 34.
into 10 power 14 into, this is 0.2. Now multiply. 10 power minus 34, 10 power 14, only 10
20
power
or 20.
minus 20.
Minus 20.
On multiplication, 0.2 into 6.626.
So just a second, I'm calculating.
13.252 into 10 to the power 30 minus 30.
1.3252.
Okay, 3 digits are sufficient.
So I'm getting a very odd answer.
Yeah, there is only joules. Keep in joules. Kinetic energy. Very small values.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
So same kind of question. So all of you write that one first. Then next question. The threshold frequency for a metal is threshold frequency for a metal is 7 into 10 power 14 second inverse. So units of frequency is either we can write hertz or even second inverse. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron. Calculate the kinetic energy of electron. Emitted when radiation of frequency one into 10 power 15 hertz or second inverse. Hit this metal. So here also given initial frequency and frequency of metal, threshold frequency. Then calculate kinetic energy.
Same thing. Same formula.
Same formula. Calculate and tell me final answer. All of you try that question. This is a classwork. Complete in 3 minutes. Same formula. You have to use this only. Kinetic energy is equal to H nu minus nu 0.
So 1 into 10 power 15, we can write it as 10 power 15 itself, right?
No, for your convenience, you have to write it 10 into 10 power 14. That is convenient.
Okay, so 10 into 10 power 14.
Yeah, because you have to take common 10 power 14. H into nu is 10 into 10 power 14, nu 0, 7 into 10 power 14. Now solve and tell me final answer.
So is it 19.878 into 10 to the power minus 20?
19.87
into 10 to the
Correct.
power 20.
Yes, correct. Joules, correct answer.
Yes, even I got the same answer.
Good.
Yes, sir, same answer.
878 and into 10 to the power.
10 to the power 14.
Priya completed. Rajarshi.
Yes, sir, I completed.
Vaibhavi, Trishala.
Complete, sir. Done.
Done? Yeah.
Yes.
Next question. This is homework for you.
So what was the answer?
Answer is 19.88 or 87 also correct into 10 power minus 20 joules.
Okay, sir.
Even after 19.8, if you get any number, that's
I'm
okay.
getting it as minus 19.82.
Here.
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, it will be minus.
It's minus
come?
only.
Yes, sir.
Sana, minus
7 minus 10 it becomes.
10 minus 3, no, here.
So 19.978 into 10 to the power minus 20.
Yeah, that's minus 20, correct. Here, why
So
come
it's nu lambda minus nu.
there lambda?
Okay, so okay.
Lambda not given here. Frequency is given directly. Nu.
Sorry, no, it's nu my, isn't it nu 0 minus nu?
No, nu minus nu 0.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, next, this is a homework question. The threshold energy for photoelectric emission for photoelectric emission of electrons from a metal is metal is 3.056 into 10 power minus 15 joules. If light of 4000 angstroms wavelength is used will the electrons will be ejected or not? Ejected or not? So H value.
Done, sir.
So for H value is 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 joules second. So no need 626, just take 6.63. So how to solve this?
You have to use third formula.
Directly, no, that's not necessary. The threshold energy for a photoelectric emission of electron from a metal is 3.056 into 10 power minus 15 joules. If the light of 4000 angstrom wavelength is used, will the electrons be ejected or not? So you have to compare the energy. So to remove electron from metal plate, energy required is this much, 3.056 into 10 power minus 15 joules. This also you have to convert into energy, 4000 angstroms. This one, from this one you calculate energy. Apply this formula. E is equal to H nu. E is equal to Hc by lambda. So calculate by substituting H value, C value, and lambda value this much. Calculate energy and compare this energy and
C
this
value
energy.
is?
C value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, light velocity.
Okay.
Lambda is 4000.
4000.
1 angstrom means 10 power
10
minus
power
10
8.
meters. And H value already given there. So
6.
calculate E value. So if E is higher than this value, photoelectrons are ejected. If E value is lower than this value, electrons are not ejected. So first you calculate this energy and compare. Okay, guys, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.